and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a necklace with a bow out of beads. We put 8 beads on one end and 8 beads on the other to make the bow. Eight on one side. After we put 8 on one side, we put a big bead in the middle, and then continue with the last 8. Okay, now we cross one side through this bead. Now we cross the other side through that same bead. On the edges, you can do 3, 4, or 5 beads. I'm doing 3. So, we have 7 on each. Now, we make a knot on each side. Now to the necklace. We can start putting the beads on. And then when you get to the hat, we're gonna put the bow on. Go. And then you can continue finishing your necklace. The finished necklace. Bye, see you till next time.